In today's video, we are going to check out the best solar-powered motion sensor light made especially for outdoor use. This list is made based on my personal experience and they are rated based on quality, durability and value for money. To see the price and find out more information on this motion sensor light, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest technology reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is Nectec Wireless Bright Solar Powered Motion Sensor Light. Comes in a pack of 2, or by single units. This product has a different design than most solar lights. Looking more as a lamppost merged with metal. It has beautiful white light. It contains a weatherproof design and is of stainless steel. The design for this is made so that light is spread out, kind of in a circle in front of the light. It is great as a solution for places that need lighting. One such place is the infamous backyard. After sunrise, you need to go throw your garbage away? This light will pick up your motion and light up the area. So you can throw your garbage away in peace. If an intruder were to come poking around your house, your bright light would switch on. First of all, you would know someone unwanted is in your backyard. Also, the intruder would run away quickly. The design of this motion light displays it like a hard monitoring or security camera, which is sure to repel thieves. At number 4 is Earthpower 8 LED Outdoor Solar Motion Security Light. Comes in a pack of 4, a number 1 bestseller in its category. The design of the product is similar to the modern mailbox design. It is easy to install. No wiring necessary. Waterproof and heatproof. Ideal for most weather types. The sensors can see 120 degrees and are powerful. Smart light sensors trigger when a person walks in radius and turns off after 30 seconds. It's a bright white light with a bluish tint. Ideal to keep at backyards for dogs at night. Also good for back doors and steps. Customers have said they also have used it for small tasks like running to the car after the sun sets. This little bright light is perfect for those situations. No maintenance is needed, you can leave them out all year and expect them to work wonders every day. It does what it's meant and described to do. A good way to use it is to put it over a side door. It can be installed without having to worry about damaging the environment as it runs off of sunlight. Even in the winter days, it only takes about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight to fully charge, so it is ideal for winter months as well. It automatically switches off during the day, so it won't waste any power at all. At number 3 is SunForce 82080 LED Solar Motion Light. This product boasts an impressive weatherproof design and charging in all weather conditions. It's mostly waterproof, so humidity won't be an issue when using this device. It's an essential setup to cover areas around your house when it's dark. You should let it charge up for 3 days after receiving this product, that way it can work most effectively. LEDs are bright and cost-effective. Now even new car models use LED lighting instead of traditional bulbs, because LEDs shine brighter, last longer, and in honesty, look a hell of a lot more modern and cool. At number 2 is Frostfire 16 Bright LED Wireless Solar Powered Motion Sensor Light. The name isn't the only cool aspect of this wireless weatherproof and heatproof motion sensor light. This lighting looks phenomenal in the dark. They give a royal and modern lighting display. They're inexpensive and light up a small area brightly. They do have a cheap look because of the silver color plastic color, which may make it look like a toy, but that's only in the sunlight. Otherwise, they're great and do their job. They dim nicely and light upon detection. Highly recommended. Also, don't let the size fool you. They might seem small, but the light is very bright and nice. At number 1 is SunForce 82156 60 LED Solar Motion Light. This product is 2.2 pounds. With this product, you can provide lighting to any garage, shed, cottage, or place with dim lighting. This lighting system also works to provide security, so keep out unwanted attention. They're easy to install and very bright indeed. In fact, you could light up the whole area in front of your house with a single light depending on how big it is. Also, be careful to install correctly. Other than that, this lighting set is great. Its lighting is very bright, and if you come home late, expect your garage and driveway to be lit like it was daytime.